In this video, we will talk about how to install Blueinstant plugin for Magento. Bring your products from the e-commerce CMS platform Magento even closer to your potential customers. Increase their marketability and save time dedicated to creation of products text ads. With Blueinstant, you can create Google Ads for these products with just one click, saving not only time but also money. Blueinstant is a unique 3-in-1 tool. It helps you to create an XML product feed, fully automatic shopping ads and products text ads, as well as dynamic remarketing. What does Blueinstant offer? Magento ads in minutes. With our fully automated app Blueinstant, you can create ads for all or selected products in minutes. The tool will help you cover both shopping ads and product text ads that would be manually impossible or extremely time-consuming to create. XML feed from Magento with just one click. Create an XML feed from Magento products. You need this feed to create ads in Google Ads. The XML product feed URL will be generated automatically and immediately after you install our plugin in Magento. Filter products as needed. Use the ability to filter your products according to any attribute from the XML feed you want: category, margin, price, and more. Step number 1. The first step is to install the module. You need to copy the app folder to the root address of Magento. You can download it at our blog or in the description along with the PDF tutorial. Step number 2. Delete cache, log out and log in. After this, Blueinstant module is installed and ready for the configuration. Step number 3. Log into the Magento admin panel. Step number 4. In your Magento admin panel, find Blueinstant, Settings and click on it. Step number 5. You need to add Google Ads ID and your secret key, which you can find in your Blueinstant account panel. If you don't know where to find it, you can find the link at our blog or in the description. After that, click on the right top corner, Save Config. Step number 6. The last step is to set up the attributes in the Mapping Properties to fit params configuration. In the settings, scroll down and choose which attribute you want to show in the brand, size, color and more. If you want your last attributes to be shown in your feed, you need to go to the Catalog, Attributes, choose one of the attributes, manufacturer for example, scroll down to the Frontend Properties, choose in the Use in Layer navigation to Filterable with results. You can see your feeds in the menu Blueinstant Feeds. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or watch the next video.